Guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add OKX BNB address in ICE network. It's easy to get this done. Simply open up your ICE app, and once you've opened up the ICE application, all you need to do is simply scroll down and find your BNB smart chain address. So where it says please enter your BSC address here, click on this option and you're met with MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Now all you need to do is your ICE tokens can be sent or will be sent to your wallet or whatever wallet you choose. And in the case of this video, we're going to be working with the OKX wallet. So once you've opened up your OKX application, make sure you have an account on the platform. If you do not have an account on OKX, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 10,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, you've verified your account. How can you get your OKX BNB address? It's quite simple. Scroll down till you find the BNB option here. If you can't find BNB on your list of tokens, simply head back and search using the search icon. So simply scroll up and use the search icon or the receive icon here. Click on receive and simply search for BNB. And now you're met with the BNB, wrapped BNB, and the rest of the tokens. So select the multi-chain BNB. Click on the multi-chain BNB and select BNB Smart Chain. Copy this address. Once it's copied, minimize and open up your ICE app. Once you've opened it up, paste the address we just copied and click on confirm address. And by clicking on confirm, you can successfully add the address to the app. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.